On day 2 of the 7th World Urban Forum in Medellin, Colombia, Nobel Prize winner Joseph Stiglitz set the tone for the day, emphasizing both the need for social equity within big businesses, as well as the rise of South-South financial options.
Societies pay a high price for the inequality, a high price in terms of growth, instability. And interesting thing is that the IMF has actually reiterated this message, that they believe that growth would be spurred by lowering inequality.
The 7th World Urban Forum in Medellin, Colombia brings together over 25,000 people from across the world and runs until the 11th of April. The central question that permeated day 2 of the conference was this: can economic growth, so essential to a city's lifeline, work together hand in hand with social equality, or do poorer urbanites always lose out? Both the World Bank and the UN said that it was possible as long as certain support mechanisms were put in place by local governments.
No, it's not. And we have now really amassed a lot of knowledge that shows that there's really no trade-off, provided economic policy and government have a clear strategy on how to make sure that the benefits of growth, and especially benefits of urbanization, are really translated into increased welfare and shared prosperity by the bottom 40% or bottom half of the population.
The World Bank's acting VP gave us a clear example of how a city can both grow and protect its most vulnerable inhabitants.
Brazil is one, Mexico is another, where cash transfers have been used to make sure that those who are not able to capture the benefits of growth then are not left behind and get a supplement to help them manage the costs of accessing services.
UN Habitat's Gender Director, Angela Mwai, also told South-South News how stronger city growth should and could work for women.
Women know what their problems are and they know what the solutions should be. But sometimes they need either technical assistance or they need some seed capital or some ideas for them to be able to find the solutions for themselves.
But she also warned about the dangers for women living in cities.
Security is a very big issue for women, and it is either a barrier or an opportunity.
This is Robert Shaw for South-South News, reporting from Medellin, Colombia.